anvil is a fixed point in the universe. Many have broken themselves against its worn surfaces, trying desperately to twist its shape, not understanding its true purpose. Because the anvil provides steadfast edges to mold other things against it. It is the arcana of the perpetual, the unmoving and cooperative opposition. If you encounter the anvil, do not squander that opportunity. Whisper a prayer for the forgotten saints. Then inscribe your sacred memories below, and may your path be blessed